Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back to part 2 of organizing my studio Etsy shop office. In part 1, I organized my shipping station. If you guys did not see that video, I'll leave a little link in the corner here and then you guys can come right on back to see today's organization video, which is going to be my cutting and packing station. So where I cut all of my stickers and where I pack all of my orders. It's also where I store all of my sticker paper, cardstock, like laminating labels, all of those things, and it is overflowing with stuff right now. So I have gotten a few things to hopefully help corral everything, and we'll see how it goes. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh my goodness, guys, can you see that? What in the heck? This huge box for one bin, and it's just like stuffed with this bubble air inside the bin. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Well, good thing I recycle all of these cardboard boxes. I also cut them up a lot of times to use as like a rigid back to buy bubble mailers. All right, let's get this one open. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. I do use all of this bubble stuff again too, so it's not that wasteful since I do use it all, and it looks like these are all in good shape. Yay! Okay, so I fiddled around with it for a bit and it was just way too tall. If I put this on top of the bookcase, I couldn't actually even see the silhouette machines or reach them to press the button. So I think I'm gonna have to return this and get the one with the 3 shelves instead of 6 shelves, which is kind of a bummer because I really do need the space, but I just do not see how it's gonna work here. All right, so of course, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it is pouring outside, thundering, lightning. So I think Target is going to have to wait. I did break it down, put it in the box. Luckily, it was super easy to put together and to take apart. So I will be returning that. I am thinking what I'll do is just put this all back the same way, maybe organize it a little bit better. I do have something else that I want to put over here. So we'll go ahead and do that and see if I can get another shelf tomorrow maybe, or we'll see if I can just make this work. Alright, so I didn't want this video to be a complete failure, so it is a couple days later. I took back the bookcase to Target and returned it. I initially was just going to make an exchange for a smaller bookcase that was just 3 shelves, so it would raise everything up a little bit higher, but they didn't have it, so I decided to go ahead and leave it how it is. I did put this guy together though and had Brian hang it up on the wall. I think it looks fantastic. Now I will show you a little bit more of a close-up of it, but this is from Amazon. It actually is a bathroom towel rack, and I thought it would be perfect to actually hold my paper, so I can actually pull it off here, and when I'm packaging up my orders, I can just put it on this little table here and wrap everything up. It has been working out perfectly so far. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and show you what everything's looking like. Alright, so here's a little close-up of the bathroom wall unit that I am using for my studio office. Like I said, I will leave a link for this down below. It does have 3 shelves. I include the top shelf because it does have a little bit of a backing on it. Up top I have 3 little blue and white checkered baskets. I actually got those at Michael's. They're just holding little doodads that I don't actually reach for very often, but I still need. So there is like stickers and backing tape and things like that up there. On the second shelf, I actually have mini sticker albums that I use for my own personal use. I also have a little hole punch that I use to punch all of my planner dividers. And then on the last shelf there, I have 2 little plastic bins that I got at Michael's. Now I have all of my vinyl cutting stuff and extra silhouette blades and all that stuff in those little bins there. I do think I will add a few extra little things, maybe more of my sticker albums on the second shelf. And then of course on the bottom row is my paper that I use to wrap up orders. I absolutely love it. I am so happy with this purchase. It was actually very reasonable. So if you're looking for something like this, definitely check it out. To the left of that, I have 2 other little wall shelf units. Unfortunately, I got those secondhand, so I won't be able to leave those linked down below. On top of the right one, I have a little mug that is holding all of my Erin Condren dual tip pens. I reach for those all the time, especially to write little thank you notes when I am packing orders. And then to the left of that, I have one of my 4x6 journaling cards. That one is from the Retro Diner collection. It has these really funky glasses, so I thought it would be perfect to put my funky glasses sitting down right next to it. And then down below, I'll have all of my things that I need when I am working. So my scissors, some tape, a little ruler, pens. I have a tack it over and over repositional glue that I like to put on my mats when they become less sticky. And then in the bowl, I have a little washi card that I use to actually put the sticky tack it over on the mat. All right, and then down below, I have a little picture frame that has a quote from William Shakespeare. It says, "It is not in the stars to hold our destiny, but in ourselves." And then in this glass heart container, I have heart confetti that I sprinkle in some of the orders. I also have a little tray here of die cut stickers that I like to seal the orders with. And then of course I have to have two little porcelain kitties over here. I just love them. They're so cute and make me happy. And then to the right of that, I do have my little washi tape dispensers that I like to put on packages as well. All right, and then down below, nothing really changed here much. I still have all of my sticker paper down in the Target shelves there. Unfortunately, I'm probably going to have to find a different solution for the rest of my sticker paper because it's definitely not fitting in there. And then to the left, I have all of my large paper pads and then of course my silhouette cutting machines. So that is a look at my little corner here where I print, cut, and package everybody's order. I absolutely love this little wall unit over there. I think it worked so perfectly well with my little corner here. So I hope you guys are enjoying my Clean With Me series of my home studio office. If you are, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!